Hi and good morning. Afternoon. I wanted to bring you along for one of my low carb pancake recipes. I call it a skillet pancake. It tastes dead up like French toast, and it only has a little over a carb per serving. You can have a fourth of the dish, and it gives me that French toast feeling. It's amazing. So first you want to start off by preheating your oven to 425, and you want an oven safe pan. I live on cast irons. My pots and pans can also go into the oven, but or you can do a baking dish, or you can do a pie dish. Just use whatever you have on hand. So you want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in your cast iron skillet. That's going to help it from sticking, or whatever pan that you're using. If your pan is not stovetop and oven top, so say if you have the say if you're using the pie pan, then just place your 2 tablespoons of butter in your pie pan, put it in the oven as it's preheating, and then your butter will melt. Pull it out, spread it around. Easy peasy. So this recipe calls for 4 eggs. So we're just going to crack 4 eggs in here. I have a compost, so I save my eggshells. And apparently I want eggshells in my pancakes today. You will hear my chickens in the background. They are still in my kitchen. My brother is building my coop, and hopefully that'll be done this week. Okay, so to the 4 eggs, you are going to want 2/4 cups of heavy cream. And then to that, you are going to want 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I like coconut flour versus almond flour because almond flour to me is very dry. Anything that I've made with almond flour, just, oh, it's awful to me. So I use coconut flour, and I hate coconut. Hate everything about coconut, but for some reason, love the flour. It gives it that little sweet taste or something. I just store mine. I try not to store any of my things in the bags or containers they come in. Just in case I have a mouse or something, I don't want, you know, it to eat through, which we're human. Everybody's got a mouse every now and then. Can't deny it. So you want 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and then you want 2 tablespoons of a sweetener. I use monk fruit. Yes, it is a little more on the pricey side, but you cannot taste the aftertaste. I have tried many different sweeteners. All of them make me gag. I cannot stand the aftertaste. Monk fruit doesn't have that. So you want 2 tablespoons of that. Just a side note, speaking of experience, when you find the sweetener you like, such as monk fruit or any other sweetener, moderation is key, unless you want to be in the bathroom all day. Moderation is key. And then we need some vanilla extract. I make my own vanilla. I can do a video on that as I'm running low later on. I need to get the vanilla beans. So you just add some vanilla extract. Now, you can add other flavorings as well. You can add like banana extract or strawberry extract or maple or, you know, lemon, whichever you desire. Extract is 0 carbs and 0 sugar. So you can add whatever flavorings that you want. You can add blueberries to this. I do have blueberries. I just didn't want them today. But you can do that. And then I add a little salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. I have where you grind it, and I also have it pre-ground because when I'm doing a recipe, sometimes like sitting there trying to grind what you need out of there, it gets on my nerves. So that, and then you just whisk it up. Now, when you bake this, I don't know if you've cooked eggs before in the oven, but they puff. Oh, they puff. They puff big. It will puff huge, and then it will, like, deflate. So that is completely normal. Don't freak out. It's what happens. Okay, so once you're mixed, just pour it in your pan. Have some fun dishes for later. Yay, dishes. And then you're just going to pop it in your oven. Oh, it's so hot in there. And then you're going to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your doneness and the brownness. So I will bring you back whenever it is finished. Okay, so my timer has went off. Do you see how puffy it is? It's smoking because I had sausage in there and then it spilled over. But, so, it's puffy. Look how beautiful that looks. And then you can watch it deflate now. Like it's deflating as we speak. And then, so the serving size is 1/4 of the skillet. And it comes to like 1.7 carbs or something like that. And then, which makes for a great breakfast or lunch. So there you have it. This is a low-carb keto skillet pancake. To me, it tastes more like a French toast, and then I have sausage patties as well that I'm going to be eating. It did get a little done on the edge, but that's okay. I like a little crispy. So thanks for watching and joining me along on this little adventure. I hope that you like it. Post your comments below if you would add anything different or if you have any tips and tricks. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks!